Hi everybody. 전 시간에 이어가지고 역시 trigonometric equation, 삼각함수의 방정식입니다. sin square theta equal cosine theta square. 여기서 이제 angle theta를 구하는 겁니다. 그래서 이제 양변을 cosine theta로 나눠줍니다. 근데 조건은 뭐냐면 cosine theta cannot be zero. 이게 제로가 되면 안 돼요. 왜냐하면은 왜 제로가 되면 안 되냐면은 어떤 숫자를 제로로 나누면 undefined나요. undefined가 very big number가 되기 때문에 컨디션이 그래서 코사인 데라를 코사인 데라 밸류가 제로가 되면 안 돼요. 그래서 양변을 we're gonna divide by each side cosine theta square. So this is gonna be a 1. This is gonna be a sin theta square over cosine theta square. 그러면 요걸 갖다가 이렇게 써도 됩니다. 이렇게 왜 이렇게 써도 되냐 하면은 이렇게 for example like this 3의 자승 2의 자승은 이렇게 똑같이 이렇게 쓰는 that's the y. Okay, we can write that way. That's why because of this we can do sin theta over cosine theta square equal 1. Then this one is a tangent. This one is a tangent. So tangent square is 1. Make sure about this one. Just a reminder, x square equal 1. 그럼 everybody know this. X gonna be x is plus 1 minus 1. Then most of the times I ask a student why. Then they say they just know it. I don't like they can't answer. Okay, so once we move this over here, that's going to be a x squared minus 1, right? 1 is the same as 1 square. Then we can use in a formula. That's why x plus 1 times x minus 0. That's why x from here, x equal plus 1 and minus 1. Same as. Once we move 1 over there, that's going to be a 1, right? Then 1 is the same as 1 to second power. So now we can use it in a formula. So tangent theta plus 1 times tangent theta minus 1. So from here, tangent theta is 1 minus 1. Tangent theta is plus 1. So what is the angle? So you should be familiar with the tangent graph. So graph looks like this. Graph looks like this. Then, okay. So minus 1 will be x equal minus 1, right? So it should be right there. That's going to be minus 1. So this one is, I'm sorry, this is 90, 135. This one is 135, not 45. 135. Okay, only 135 and right there too. Minus 1 there. That's 270, right? Right here. Plus 45 is 315. 315. Okay, this is reverse drawing. Okay, so tangent theta is plus 1. They should be right there, 45 degree, right? And another one is right there, plus 1. So this one is a pi, so 225. So 45 and 225. So answer is 45, 135, and 225. Okay, making sure you have to draw carefully of the sine drawing, sine graph, cosine graph, and tangent graph. That should help you. This one is very, very, very important. Okay, once you go to, you're going to be a scientist or engineer, you have to know this because we're going to use it so often. So often. So 이거 한국말로는 아마 composition 삼각함수의 합성함수라고 그러는 것 같아요. Okay, root 3 times sin x minus cosine x is root 2. Then cosine x is the same as 1 times cosine x. So this is kind of a method. So you kind of depends on memory. So I'm gonna draw this and draw this right there. So root 3 is this way, plus root 3, kind of XY coordination. Okay, root 3, that is minus 1 is going down minus 1 way. Minus going down. That's what triangle looks like this. Then this is length 2. We're going to find out using the Pythagorean theorem. So this angle should be minus 30 degree, right? Looks like a quadrant 4. 4상환. Okay. Okay, anyway. So root 3, I'm going to use this angle. I change it to root 3 the same as this, right? Then divide by 2 times 2. Then same as this, divide by 2 times 2 will be the same as this, right? So, and equal root 2. Then root 3 over 2, that is a cosine, right? Cosine right there. That's why root 3 over 2. So that angle is that is the same as a cosine minus 30 degree. The sine x right there. And the tricky thing is, instead of minus, I use a plus and change it to minus right there. This one will be the same as this. So cosine x and root 2. Then 2 times cosine minus 30 is the same as a cosine 30. Yes. You should know this. Okay. You wanna understand this one? I think several lectures before I explained to you already. Okay, sine x is sine x. This one plus right there, that is same as sine minus 30. Sine minus 30 and times cosine x is root 2. So I just simply rewrite it. Rewriting cosine 30 sine x. Also, sine minus 30 is the same as minus sine 30. Minus sine 30 degree. And this is, you should know this also. I explained already several times. Cosine x I rewrite it, just root 2. So this is 2 times. Okay. Okay. Root 2 right there. Root 2 right there. Right there. Root 2 right there. So okay. I divide by root 2 each side from here to each side. So I'm right. So 2 root 2, that root 2 over 2 is the same as root 2, 1 over root 2. Then this one is the simplified form is sine x minus 30 degree, right? Equal to 1 over root 2. So this angle should be 45. Sine this angle is 1 over root 2. So this one should be 45 degrees. So x is 75. Okay? This we call it particular solution. Okay? Then general solution means it happens after cycle after cycle. That's why n pi plus minus 1 times 45 degrees. You're going to put n is 0, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can find it in the angle general solution. But point is, this chapter, you have to know this one. From here to up here. How to make this? How to make this? I don't care about this one. How to make this? This kind of simple formula, very, very important. Okay? In engineering, you're going to study in electronic or electricity, electric engineer or mechanical engineering. You should know this. They use it so often. So you should be familiar with this. Okay? 그리고 I skipped several problems about the 삼각함수 방정식은 좀 많이 example을 좀 심플하게 하고 좀 피했는데, 왜냐면 I don't want to make you confused, or it's not that much, we don't use it anymore. That's why I skip it. Maybe later on, necessary is needed, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, thank you.